I'm going to get some of my thicker pieces, the white meat. They're the bigger chunks. And get them going. There's a big old chunk of breast meat right there. This is a pretty good sized chicken, or hen I should say. Here's some more. Maybe one more piece here. There you go. So there ain't no easy way to do this. Just get in and make a mess. And this is not boneless chicken. This is real chicken with the bones in. I'm going to place it in the skillet, skin side down. And be sure and put it in your skillet away from you. Little piece of thigh meat here. This is the chicken I grew up on. I'm not sure where the first time I ever had chicken fried steak that was double dipped in all the crust and stuff on it. I mean, it's good. When my mother fried steaks, deer steak, beef steak, pork chops, it was just out of her milk into the hot oil. And this is just plain old-fashioned flour, nothing special. I try to keep the pieces from touching each other. This is going to take about 8 minutes on each side, maybe 8 to 10. When I used to work at Grandy's Chicken House, I think it was 10 or 12 minutes, but they were in a deep fryer. And this is not deep frying, of course. That's some good stuff. It's already starting to get brown on the bottom side. No way it's cooked, but it's heating pretty good. I've got the oven set on 200 degrees. Got a big bowl over here with a paper towel. I'll transfer those in and they'll go in the oven and sit there until they're ready. Or until we're ready to eat. There they are, boys and girls. Cooking away. I'll start taking some of these out. I just checked the temperature on this. It's at 150. You can see the pretty golden brown on it. Let it drip a little bit. It's going to continue to cook even though it's out of the hot grease. And then it's going into an oven that's at 200. Well, I wish you'd smell this now. This smells like good home cooking. Little flat wing. Little drumstickies. Here's the back. Make sure you get all the flour and all the sauce on it, as much as you can. All right. Oh yeah, it's ready. You can also tell when you put your fork in, You don't see any clear juices running out. You know it's cooked. All right. End down on this back. Scoot these around. Check this big boy. I don't see any juices running out of it. Boy, she's nice and brown. Yum. That's a huge piece of chicken breast there. Here's the thigh going down. All right. All right. I'm just cooking this chicken now. All right. You're on camera saying that, so I trust you. You're on camera saying that, so I got to hold you to it. Here's a little flat wing. I was just talking about the piece of chicken I just took out, the wing, flat wing. No, you're just voices on camera. I know you ain't got your makeup and stuff. Oh, okay, well, we ain't gonna put you on TV or video with no clothes on. Well, she's looking good, boys and girls. Cooking away. I wonder what the temperature is, the oil is. Let's see here. $325 degrees. I really like to keep it around 350. It's not at 350 because the pan is crowded. The cook special. Only little wingette, that's the first one that got done. It's still kind of hot, but I'm going to have a bite of it here in just a second. These are on their final round. And OMG, they look great. Flip these over and I'll have a bite of my chicken. Come on, flip over it. All right, let's have a bite of this baby boy. That's real fried chicken. Man. That's good. I put a little bit of salt and pepper in the flour and also put some on the chicken when it was in the milk. Let me bring you back when I get all these out. There's some real fried chicken, some country fried. No KFC, no churches.